It's a 2016 Audi A3. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, auto shift manual transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton'S Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.